Hello everyone, I'm Zero. In this video, I will show you how to build an automatic sorting system in Minecraft. Here is the design that I will be showing you how to build. It is a tileable design, meaning you can copy each one of these one block wide units as far as you want. So each one of these units is one block wide, so you can either build one unit or 50. I don't know why you'd build one, but if you want to, then go for it. In this chest, there are all the resources for one unit. So we will be using these resources for each unit, and if you want to build a billion, then multiply these numbers by a billion, and you will have enough resources to build a billion units. Okay, let's start off by building up 2 blocks off the ground. I'm just doing this, it's completely optional, but I'm doing this to make it easier to see what's going on. Actually going to do it over here. So, and then place a block on the 3rd block up and break the 2 blocks below. And like I've said, you can build as many units as you want. I could build one, I could build 50, but to make it easy, I'm just going to build 7, because why not? That's 6, there's 7. Then place a repeater. So go to the back of your sorter and place a repeater facing towards the front and leave those on 1 tick. Next, grab some blocks, some more blocks, and place them in front of all the repeaters and behind all of the repeaters. Then place some blocks on top of the repeaters, and then see where the repeaters are facing forwards. Go to these blocks here and place blocks on top of them. Just like that. Then on these 2 blocks here, so this is what the pattern should look like. On these 2 blocks here, place redstone dust. And if you're building multiple units, like you probably should, then place redstone dust along each of those. And it should look like that. Once again, the repeaters should be facing out that way, so not towards the redstone dust, away from the redstone dust. Next, grab some of your comparators and place them facing into the redstone dust, like so. So it should look like that. And then, if you go down here and see these repeaters, see how they're facing into these blocks here? They're also below the comparators. Place redstone torches on these blocks, just like that. Next, above this last redstone torch here, place a temporary block and then a chest on the side of that block, like that. You can now break that temporary block and then place a chest in front of each chest, like so. Oops, in a line like that. So they're all sideways in terms of this sorting system. So they're all sideways like that. And then on the sides of these chests, place another chest by shifting and looking at the side of the chest. Just like that. Now, get out your hoppers. This is where you'll need quite a few hoppers, so this isn't quite an early game redstone thing, but so it shouldn't be too difficult to get this much iron. Maybe an hour or 2 of mining. Maybe you're going to build an iron farm. Yeah. So place hoppers facing into the chests like this, and they should be right above the redstone torches. Then look at the side, this little edge of the comparator right here, and place a hopper facing into that edge. So it should do something like that, where the little thing is pointing towards the comparator. And do that on all of the comparators, and these hoppers should be above the first hoppers. And then lastly, place a temporary block there, kind of out from that, and place a hopper facing into that temporary block on top of this line of hoppers here. Break the temporary block and place a hopper leading into the next, just like this. And then on this end, place another hopper facing into there, so it should look like that. Then get a chest or a double chest and place it up on top of this hopper here. So the hopper here should be sticking out, and then this chest should also be sticking out. And it should look something, well, it should look exactly like this. If it doesn't look exactly like this, it probably won't work. So yeah, make sure you get everything done correctly. And now for the next part, you are going to need an item of your choice. I highly recommend, first of all, picking a rare item such as a dead bush, and also rename it in an anvil. So I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna get a stack of these. I'm gonna put in an anvil. What about that? That's not even how you spell it, really. Subscribe. Yeah, do that. So I'm gonna rename them to subscribe. You should subscribe, and you should rename all of your dead bushes to subscribe. Put these items, I recommend renamed items, into this second hopper here, into the last 4 slots. Don't put anything into this first slot yet. Go to the next hopper here, put 4 in to the last 4 slots, and these hoppers are on the same level as the comparators. So these hoppers here, don't goof that up, and just put them in to each hopper. I probably missed one. I don't know. It's 7 times 4. Yeah, I probably missed something. Did I? Oh yeah, I did. Makes more sense. Yeah, 28. So now there are 4 in the last 4, or 1 in each of the last 4 slots. And now for choosing which items you want in your storage system, your sorting system. So I'm gonna get some cobblestone. Oh, I got an achievement. Nice. Working hard for that. I'm gonna get those blocks, I guess. Choose those blocks. Let's get that. Let's get an item. And just throw them all in there. This chest here. And first of all, you'll see them go up to 19, and they'll go back down to 18. There will also be one of your items in this hopper here. Just leave that there. And then all the rest of your items will go into the chest. So do not take out the items here or the one item here. So you're going to want at least 19 of your item to kind of choose which slot of the sorting system you want your items to go in. And then the next items will go into this one, and they'll just be in order here. So if you want to put cobblestone, then stone, then andesite, just put them in order, and they will go in order of these chests. So that's about it for this video. If you liked what you saw, then give the video a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, then give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions, go to the comments, put a comment. If you just want to say something, I don't really care, go to the comments and comment something random. And yeah, if you enjoy the video a lot, then maybe subscribe, and I will see you when I upload next. See ya.